friends, welcome back. And this question based upon language, part 4, and then CTET exams, very important. And first fall 91 to 120, language only, English. Firstly, fall passage. Read the passage given below and answer the questions that follow 91 to 99 by selecting the correct most appropriate options. Then first stanza, read. Each drop represents a little bit of creation and of life itself. When the monsoon brings to northern India the first rain of summer, the parched earth opens its pores and quench- quenches its thirst. With a hiss of scarcity, after barking in the sun for the last few months, the land looks cracked, dusty, and tired. Now, almost overnight, new grasses spring up. There is renewal everywhere, and then and the damp earth releases a fragrance sweeter than any devised by man. Water things joy to earth, grass, leaf, bird, blossom, insect, bird, animal, and the pounding heart of man. Small children ran out of their homes to roam, naked in the rain. Buffaloes, which have spent the summer list, listily, listily around lakes, gone dry now, plunged into a heaven of muddy water. Soon the lakes and rivers will overflow with the monsoon's generosity. Trekking in the Himalayan foothill- foothills. I recently walked for kilometers without encountering aviation. I was just scolding myself for not having brought along a water bottle when I came across a patch of green on a rock crab face. I parted a curtain certain of tender maiden hair fern and discovered a teeny spring issuing from the rock nectar for the thirsty traveler. I stayed there for hours watching the water descended drop by drop into a tiny casement in the rocks. This question based upon this stanza. And first question, children responding to the first rains of summer by. This question answer. This question is answer number 3. Running and playing in the rain. After this question to answer 3. The the tiny spring issuing from the rock is hiding hidden by. This question answer is option number two. Maiden, hair, fur. The become part of a river. A tiny drop has to. This question answer is fourth. Merge its identity. Which of the following words is most similar in meaning to the word pounding as used in para 2 of the passage? This question answer is option number 3. Palpating. Palpitating. Which on the following words is most opposite in meaning to the word descended? Para 3 as used in the passage. This question answer is option number 2. Ascending. Ascend. Which part of speech is the underlined word in the following statement? Almost. Overnight, new grass spring up. This question answer is 4. Adverb. Which part of the following sentence contain contain an error? He knew. A. He knew. B. That he will. C. Go back. D. On his promise. This question answer is option number 2. B is correct. That he will be. Which of the following statement is not true? This question is answer to option number 3 is right answer. The sweltering heat comes to an end. The earth does not look before the onset of the monsoon. This question answer is option number 2 brown. Read the poems given below and answer the questions that follow. Question number 100 to 105. Let's read. I think that I shall never see a poem lovely as a tree whose hungry mouth is pressed against the earth, earth sweets following breaths, a tree that looks at God all day and lifts her leafy arms to pray, a tree that may in summer wear a nest of robins in her hair, upon whose bosom snow has lain, who intimately lives with rain. Poems are made by fools like me, but only God can make a tree. And first question, 100 question. The tree presses its mouth against the sweet earth flowing breast. 2. This question answer is option number 2. Draw sustenance from it. The tree prayers to God by. This question answer is option number 2. Lifting her arms. Lifting her arms. Which of the following statement is not true in the context of the poem? This question answer is second. The tree symbolizes strength and stability. Name the figure of speech used in lines 3 and 4. This question is answer to option number 2. Personifications. Identify and name the figure of speech used in poems are made by fools like me. This question answer is option number 3. Simile. The word mouth in the line 3 refers to the of the tree. This question answer is option number 4. Roots. Option number 4. Roots. A language teacher firstly asks students to introduce themselves to each other in the class. Then she asks them to introduce their afraid to each other. This activity will help them to increase. This question answer is first BICS. BICS. Literature should be included in language classroom because this question answer is option number 4. It exposes them to different genres, culture and social issues. A teacher makes her learners respond to her actions and speech only by bodily movements. What is the known as? This question answer is option number first. Total physical response. In a language class, students are memorizing the dialogues through drill and practice, and the teacher is correcting their pronunciation mistakes immediately. They are practicing the dialogues in the chorus. Chorus. The teacher is following the. This question answer is option number 3. Ideological method. Ideological method. Option number 3. The oral errors of the students can be best corrected if the teacher. This question answer is option number 2. Point points out the error in general and lets the student try to correct himself first. As a pair activity, the teacher gives her learners almost the same pictures and asks them to find the difference between the two. Students ask each other questions to discover how the two pictures are different. This can be a this question answer is option number 2, speaking activity. Speaking activity. A student of class 4 is having some problem in writing. She may have. This question answer is option number 2, dysgraphia. And let's see you again. Don't forget like, subscribe and share. See you soon. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.